Model, 2010 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 319 Rare V6 Diesel Full Camper Conversion No VAT. Body, black, camper. Mileage, 419,976. MOT, the 12th of December 2026. Engine, 2,987 CCOM 642 190 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox pulls well in all gears with no issues, no warning lights on the dash, thumbs up. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear living space is indecent, average condition overall. Honest, usable camper showing its age but still functional. Features, electric windows,